The winter season can be beautiful, but don't let it fool you. The brutal temperatures can put a strain on your body. You see, when it's cold, your body and immune system has to work harder to maintain their core body temperature. And your immune system may struggle if it's not strong enough. Your immune system protects your body from harmful things like bacteria and viruses that causes illnesses. Unfortunately, statistics have shown that more reports of cold, flu, and pneumonia during the winter time is more rampant, and especially now since we can add COVID to the list. Now that's why a strong immune system is your first defense to protect you from harm. So here are 7 ways to boost your immune system this winter. 1, get started by cutting back on sugar, which suppresses your immune system. 2, eating more fruits like pineapple, papaya, mango, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, pomegranate, and avocado. 3, eating more vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, spinach, carrots, kale, asparagus, ginger, onion, and garlic. All of these fruits and veggies are loaded with high-powered vitamins and minerals that promote immune health. 4, doing some exercise, even 5 minutes a day, can help your immune system. 5, cutting back on smoking and drinking. Now, too much of this can alter the balance of your immune system. 6, getting enough rest. When you sleep, your body repairs itself. And 7, helping your body to detox toxins. Now, your liver is your built-in detoxification system, but sometimes it could use some help. Think of it like getting an oil change. Adding a supplement like Shilajit resin to your diet is a great idea to help. Not only does it detox and remove toxins from your body, but it also builds up your immune system. You can check out my bio for a discount code from Natural Shilajit resin.